So, you like it hot? Yeah, the hotter the better? I think so. I put red hot chili pepper flakes on everything. Pizza Hut, pocket those chili flakes. I have a whole collection in my purse. Sprinkle it on my pasta, my salad, burgers, soups, basically anything edible. I don't like to limit myself. Don't judge, there's a method to the madness, although I didn't really realize it until I saw this month's study published by scientists from Purdue in the journal Physiology and Behavior. The study showed spicy red peppers suppress the appetite, strengthen the immune system, improve your mood, and even increase life expectancy. Need I say more? If you can suck it up and handle the burn, it causes a rise in body temperature, which triggers feel-good endorphins and helps appetite control. Important point, not all hot foods burn calories. It's a substance in red chili peppers called capsaicin. And the study shows you've got to actually feel the burn, because that's what improves digestion. But ease into it, because if you overdo it, the burn isn't so great coming out from the other end.